Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Tang haka Amerika, Henry haka partai hi Barokaway. Kila Bitar yo Presiden ka United States u Donald Trump. Namarba ula tap ya kawi kadur has social media. Ya kabalashna daka AI bat hakani kadur. U Trump usna ba uriam Ialade ko mu Jisu. Bat upen kot ya uway unong pang ubat hiapang. La penteng syan da kijing thaba haringkat ka lama ka US. Bat ya kadur la penyasrim kum kadur Jisu. Kani ka jingle utrom kala penbitar ya kepad ba Kristan bat kila keno ba udai uba ben blay. Utrom ula thep ya kani gedor hakasi ublay. Henry Hadien baki babun kisosi ula Weng no hakala asi ublay. Haga jingkran bat kilat patai kubur. Utrom ula kubur ba udai mauhi uba thep ya kani gedor. Henry ula ong ba umsyam mod banle Ialade ko mu Jisu. Henry umud Ialade ba udai u doktor uba a jingkia ya kibriyo bat a jingkermen ya kibriyo. Bat ula kam hiru ba udai uba a jingkermen ya kibriyo. Kinong Amerika bat kinong buot bat jan jong uru kila dawa ba utrom ude ban Weng no ya kani gedor na social media ya ka ba ula le ya kani.
Well, it wasn't a depiction. It was me. I did post it, and I thought it was me as a doctor, and had to do with Red Cross as a Red Cross worker there, which we support. And only the fake news could come up with that one. So I just heard about it, and I said, "How did they come up with that?" It's supposed to be me as a doctor making people better, and I do make people better. I make people a lot better. As an example. The 11,000, I understand your husband's going through treatment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He's
He
going
has
through
cancer.
some very serious cancer treatment, so
Yes, sir.
this goes a long way.
Yes, sir. It sure does.